Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change quick chat in honor of kings. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here's what you want to do. You want to click on Loadout right here in the bottom left. So click on Loadout, and then you will choose the character which you want to change the quick chat for. Or you can also do this for multiple characters. Click on this icon here with the chat bubble. And now, if you want to change quick chat, we will click on the pencil icon right here and remove one which you want gone. So you can do this by pressing the X next to it, and then you will choose another message from the list. For example, let's say defend our base, and you will click on add after you have highlighted it. And as you can see, now this is in that spot. Afterwards, you'll click on confirm, and that's how you do it. So that's basically how you can change quick chat in honor of kings. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.